video, I'm going to teach you how to make a paper tube Star Wars character. I've made one before, Obi-Wan Kenobi. And we're going to make Boba Fett. What you're going to need is a black marker, toilet paper tube, scissors, glue, a red marker, yellow, green, black paper. That's it. So first, you're going to take your paper. You're going to start with your green one. And you're going to measure it. And you're going to cut right on there. And then you're going to set it aside. And you're going to cut from that line all the way to the end. And you got that. You're going to take your glue. You're going to glue this side of it, just like that. And you're going to attach it to your toilet paper tube. Let it dry. And then when it dries, you're going to put glue on the rest of your paper. Roll it up. Just like this. Now it's dried. And now you're going to take a black sheet of paper and you're going to use your red marker to outline the mask. Now you're going to cut it out. And you're gonna take that and you're gonna glue it on the front of the model. And you're gonna cut a slit in the top of it. Like that. And you're going to take your model and you're going to glue the edges of it and stick it to the back of the model. Now it's all dried. So to make his gun, you're gonna cut a semicircle with your black paper. Then you're going to fold that in half, just like that. Then you're going to glue the two edges together. Just like that. Don't put that much glue on it, because this part won't take that long to dry. Now it's dry. So you're going to take your model back and you're going to glue the gun onto the side of him, just like this. Let that dry. You're gonna take your yellow paper and you're gonna fold it over, fold it in half. And then you're gonna cut 2 little circles. You just need to cut one because you folded it in half and it's gonna make 2 circles when we're done. This is the technique I use all the time when I try to make 2 things. There you go. Then you're gonna glue them on the sides of him. One above his gun, just like that. And one on the other side. And you're going to take it and fold like this all the way to the end. And you're going to glue that last flap on there. Just like that. And then you're going to glue the back of it just like that onto his back. That you used for the shoulders. You're gonna keep it folded in half. And you're gonna do like a triangle. Kind of like this. And then gonna take those and glue them onto the end of his jetpack. And let that dry. And then he has a big rocket on the back of him. I'll try to throw a picture of him just so you can see. Take the yellow paper, unfold that because you don't want to. And you're gonna cut a small, you're gonna cut it in half. And you're gonna cut a smaller strip, just like this. And then you're gonna put glue on the end, and you're gonna roll it up, actually. All the way to the end. Before you fold that end down, you're gonna put the glue here at the last flap and glue it shut. And then you're gonna glue the bottom of the rocket onto the back of his jetpack. And there you go. Now for Boba Fett's antenna. You're going to cut a small line and then over, just like an L. And then you're going to cut that out. You're going to take that tiny little thing, and you're going to glue the end of it onto the side of his helmet. And that's our Boba Fett. Fun fact, Boba Fett's armor actually keeps him safe when he falls into the Sarlacc pit in the movie. I've got some other characters too. I've got Yoda, Stormtrooper, Luke Skywalker, and if you want to make a lightsaber, you grab a popsicle stick, any color, and just color the bottom. Super easy. And then we've got Chewbacca, and then Kylo Ren, and R2-D2. I made R2-D2 smaller than the other guys. I did that, I chopped off the top of it, and I did BB-8 as well, the same way. And then in the beginning of the video, I showed you Obi-Wan Kenobi, Princess Leia, C-3PO, and Darth Vader.